respected dais members, distinguished guests, students, and my dear friends. We are here for big dreams, big network, and big money. It's a great platform with a very transparent subject. That is, if you have the dream, if you have the network, then you have the big money. We can see Mr. Manolis Ji here, Mr. Opesh Singh Sahab, making the international relationship, the trust, the networking grow with India and European Union. My dear friend, I am from a very small village from Bihar. And we were struggling for the education system in Bihar a long time back, 20 years ago. There was an opportunity for the international education system with Russia and CIS country that time known as a USSR. So it was very close to European Union. Somehow we get into contact with some people and we got our mission abroad called as a country called Ukraine. So when we reached Ukraine, we were not aware of the city, we were not aware of the country because we were only known as it as a Soviet Union that time. And today it is known as Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, Minsk, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and lot of 15 countries. We have learned languages, we have learned subject, we have learned culture, we have interacted people. So direct from a village of Bihar, we went to a European country with a high technology, with a space technology, where we were just having it in our imagination. We were talking from this platform that our government, BJP government, is today increasing our relationship with many countries across the globe. We have many chambers like BRICS. We have international chambers here. We have industrial chamber in country like FICCI, ASSOCHAM, CII, and many more associations for the businessman union so that we can develop our trade. So everywhere there is one focus. That is, their dream is to grow business, their dream is to make networking, and their dream is to make big money. And my dear friends, there is only one religion in this world, that is money. If you have money, every religion is with you. Believe me. If you have no money, there is no religion, no friend, no relation. It's a practical. I got through networking, I met Dr. 𝐒𝐲𝑗𝐻𝐿𝐴, very good friend of mine, who believed in me. We talked and he given me opportunity. Let us meet, let us talk together about the business. What we want to learn from here? Do we want to learn here a business? No. Everything is a business. Everything. A little. If you talk water, water is a business. You talk fire, fire is a business. You talk politics, politics is a business. You talk business, business is business. That is the fundamental thing for the business. But again, when we talk, our Sahab who told that we are into the generation of artificial intelligence. And now the artificial intelligence is talking about the development of ethical business and non-ethical business. This is the biggest point we have to learn. So why our business is not growing? Why we are going down for it? India is a powerful country. India is a global relationship place where we have languages of different like Kerala, like Bengali, like Kashmiri, and everywhere. India is a unity in a diversity. So what we are talking here, we have a big business in our own country. But why our youth are not getting so much of jobs? Why our youth are not getting a right placement? Because we are thinking that somebody will give us a hand and we will come out to the place with a 9 to 5 job, and we will get our salary at the end of the month, and we will pay our EMI. Even EMI is a business. So we have to understand what we are going to achieve in next 5 years, 10 years. We have to make our checklist. Thanks to our European Union friends here, Mr. Molelis, Mr. Opesh Singh, who has assured our youth that we are behind you. You come out. We have to come out of ourselves. What is an obstacle between our dream and our reality? That is an unethical practice. Somewhere, somehow, we have a fear of not coming out. What happens if we got into the tax department? If we do something, we will go behind 10 years. Somebody will punish us. So that makes our youth behind our dreams. It is a very good step. I will again thank Mr. Opesh Singh, who assured our youth that we are behind you, you come out. And we need this type of people, this type of entrepreneurs who are developing the skill in Indian students. I have seen, I have worked, believe me, in Russia, there are many companies, and the pharmaceutical companies from India, they are doing tremendous business. They have factories there now, like Reddy's, like Surya Pharma, many more companies, small companies, Ayurveda pharmaceutical products. They are doing like anything. So, to develop your business skill along with the relationship into international market, I am very sure, if I say everything is a business, I mean every skill. We have done traveling business, we have done tourism business, we have done pharma business, we are into power sector, we are into everything. But every ethical step you take today, you break your fairness, that is a business tomorrow with the profitability. There are a lot of things with data to share, but with the practical experience, I will say, make a small group, make yourself inter-skill change, make your friends abroad, and ask them what we can do for you. If you will do something for someone, that will make you a business, if I am right. But always I will try to put a note to today's Indian youth community. Being India is a youth country, India from the era of our Vivekananda-ji, Swami Vivekananda-ji, till today, every clean citizen of India, every true Indian of India has a dream to deliver. We are the place where we have diversified fruits, seasons, language and everything, and we are ready to deliver. But why we are not delivering? There is some obstacles are there, unethical things. So, point it out, make a groups, make your chambers, and make your relationship abroad. And I am very sure, if you have a dream, you have money. But for that, you have to execute. Come out of yourself and take help of the many people like Opesh Singh ji, 𝐻𝐸𝐷 Singh ji, and everybody, those who are into the development of an entrepreneurial skill today. And after all, there is a punch that our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister of India, who is very keen to develop the youth of India for the global services. But for that, before we have to start our country service in like 𝐻𝑠vachh Bharat, 𝑠hikshit Bharat, 𝐸𝑠𝑟vashreshth Bharat, and 𝑠akshar Bharat. That we have to make it here. Helping women, helping the poor people, helping the poor class of the society, we can develop a strong India and we can have the coordination worldwide. I think there are a lot of things to say you with my experience, the practical experience, but there are many people to say, there are many have the ideas to share. We are always here to share our ideas, to develop our relationship for the growth of business and the society. So with all these things, with limited points, I thank you our guests, thank you our audience. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.